donkey.
And he's a Together we make donkey.
Hey, alright, welcome back to Music from Nothing. We have done this machine here, and now there is a song writ.
That we have done there for you.
Yeah, we have made it sound much nicer. We learned how to play it and use it and record it. So.
Yeah, so basically, apart from the drums which Will did on the keyboard, everything else comes from that.
Magical monstrosity.
Little beaut there.
Yep.
This weird kind of metal-y-esque weird thing.
You tell us what style it is. I don't think it has.
I don't know.
It's got some kind of style.
It's fun to play though.
It was fun to play.
Yeah.
So anyway, enjoy the song. Bye.
Toodle.